Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to look at Ether NDE's ACFMT solution, the ACE. I have it here in this rugged case, as you can see. This case, besides protecting the equipment, has some advantages such as being carry-on approved size for most airlines. Because of that, it has a handle for ease of carry as well as two caster wheels on the bottom. The case is rainproof, so it's a very good option to carry the instrument, and it comes included when the kit is purchased. So now I'm going to flip the case and we're going to look at the contents on the inside. Okay, so we have two secure latches. There are also options if you want to place a safety padlock to prevent case opening. Once we open the case, everything has its own place. It's nice and well organized. We have a space on the top here for documents, procedures, anything that you might need that you don't want to fold and carry. There's a large zippered pocket where you can place the cable that connects the instrument to the probe. Two smaller pockets. This one we have mains adapters for different countries and so forth, and this one is free at the moment, but you can put pens or any part of your kit that you want to carry with you. The main compartment on the bottom has a space for the charger for the instrument, a space for the weld sample or coupon with a magnetic ruler. Okay, I'm going to place these aside for now. And of course we have a main cut for the instrument itself, ruggedized, really well built, and really portable. And on the side over here we have cutouts for up to 4 probes. Our main weld probe and 3 options of pencil probes. Standard, transverse, and 90-degree pencil straight probe. These can be configured at the time of purchase. The current offer of the ACE instrument comes with the case, everything you see here, but a choice of 2 probes, and of course you can add more probes if you want. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Ether NDE's ACFMT solution, the ACE.